his name is Fido. Say hello to Fido. Hello, Fido. Nice to meet you. Let's sing a song about star. Okay, are you ready? Say, we are ready.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle.
Nie ma. Aj tak, ręce na kolienkach. Aj tak, kwitnie mak. Aj tak, kwitnie mak. I tak toczył mak. Good job. Stand up again. Excellent. Breathe in. Nadýchneme sa. Breathe in. Breathe out. Your heart beating. Can you feel your heart beating? Bum bum, bum bum, bum bum. One, two, three. Ladybug, 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 landing. Here I am, how do you do?
Jabłko, Barbarka.
Okay. Tick tock, hurry up, Barbarka. Tick tock, hurry up, Barbarka. Tick tock. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. Okay, kids. What time is it? Is it time to go outside? No. It's time to go to eat. Okay. This is the time to go to eat. Go to eat. Go to eat. This is the time to go to eat. Go to eat. This is the time to open, shut them, open, shut them. Put them on your lap, lap, lap. Okay, put your hands on your knees. My sa strašidiel nebojíme, my sa proti nim ozbrojíme. Strašidielko, strašidielko, kde si? Schovalo sa kam si. Tekvičku budeme vyrezávať, potom rodičom ukazovať.
Spooky, spooky, very spooky. Oh no, it's a monster. Spooky, spooky, very spooky. What's that? It's a witch. Spooky, spooky, very spooky. Watch out, it's a vampire. Spooky, spooky, very spooky. What's that? It's a ghost. Spooky things doing a spooky dance. Spooky things doing a spooky dance. Ah, woo, woo, woo. What kind of spooky thing are you? Ah, woo, woo, woo. What kind of spooky thing are you? Spooky, spooky, very spooky. Oh no, it's a black cat. Spooky, spooky, very spooky. What's that? It's a spider. Spooky, spooky, very spooky. It's a jack-o'-lantern. Spooky, spooky, very spooky. What's that? It's a skeleton. Spooky things doing a spooky dance. Spooky things doing a spooky dance.
Noha a nožičku vykopáva
of spooky thing are you? Woo, woo, woo. What kind of spooky thing are you? Spooky, spooky, very spooky, 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 very spooky, 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 very spooky, happy Halloween.
Get ready, let's sing. This is my favorite pumpkin. 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 It has one scary nose, one nose, two scary eyes, one, two, three scary teeth, one, two, three, scary, scary, ah! This is my favorite pumpkin. 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 My pumpkin can jump, jump, jump. My pumpkin can dance, dance, dance. My pumpkin can spin, spin, spin. Scary, scary, ah! This is my favorite pumpkin. This is my favorite pumpkin.
Dole, dáme dole, vynikajúco. Tak, koho menu poviem, tak ten mi ukáže, ako sa hlási. Natália. A dole, len ten, koho meno som povedala. Je to 11. mesiac. Viete, čo sú mesiace? Keď je zima, tak vieme, že máme aké mesiace? Zimné. Počkaj, ešte som sa neopýtala. Máme zimné mesiace.
Tak, ešte taká veľká sa tie kubátik.
Áno, ale ja sa opýtam, kto z vás vie mi povedať, v akom mesiaci ten Mikuláš chodí? Ten mesiac sa začína na D a volá sa december. Skúsi sama Simonka. Natálka skúsi. A mesiac, keď chodí Mikuláš, sa volá december. Vytlieskame všetci spolu. Áno. Kto mi skúsi povedať, zostáva a kto nejaký zvuk vydáva? Vynikajúco, Simonka. Áno. A ešte máme iného vtáčika. Bocian kde zimuje, Adamko? Ostáva u nás alebo odlieta? Odlieta. A kto si pamätá, kam odlieta Bocian? Kam odlieta Bocian?
Do Afriky.
Áno, a všetci spolu povedzte do teplých
krajín.
Áno. A zlata z takých guličiek. Ja vám poviem začiatok, či uhádnete, ako sa tento vtáčik volá. Na L. Lastovička. Skúste zopakovať. Lastovička. Poďte, vytlieskame si to. Lastovička odlieta. Pekne si sadneme a ukážte mi. Určite máš veľkú radosť.
No mám, lenže neviem po anglicky, neviem si to vôbec prečítať.
Počúvajte. Christmas tree. Everyone put him. This is a Christmas tree. What is this? This is a house. Is he on the rooftop? Snowflakes falling, snowflakes falling. On the ground, on the ground. Winter time is coming. Winter flakes, snowflakes in the air. Snowflakes, snowflakes. I would like green. Here you are. Jakubko?
Przebrany outlook red.
Perfect. Here you are.
Jestem red.
Simonka.
A ja chcę mieć babeczką iść.
Simi. I would like.
Red.
So little.
I would like red.
Here you are.
Ja chcę ten.
Green. I would like green. Jeszcze raz.
I would like green.
Here you are. There's something behind my back and it's very, very delicious. Do you want to see? Okay, so let's go. Orange. Who likes orange? I like orange. Robka, do you like orange?
I like orange. Do you like orange?
Like orange. Excellent. Who likes orange? To chce jeszcze pięknie powydręcać? Do you like orange? Say I like. Excellent. Who wants to say? Excellent. Excellent. Kaika, do you like orange? Say I don't like orange. Kajka, zobaczył. Nie mam rada pomarańcz. I don't like orange.
Fly like a bee. Fly like a bee. Fly like a bee. And stomp your feet like elephant. Stomp your feet like elephant. Stomp your feet like elephant. And jump like monkey. Jump, 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 jump. Stomp, stomp like elephant.
Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out.
See the little bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon. Should I stay and wake them with a merry tune? They're so still. Are they ill? No. Wake up, sleeping bunnies! Wake up! Hop, little bunnies! Hop, hop, hop! Hop, hop, hop! Hop, hop.
Happy birthday, śpiewamy to you. Na Marwanko pokażemy. Happy birthday, dear Marwanko. Happy birthday to you. 4 years old now.
Was a farmer, had a daughter, Bingo was his name, N-G-O. Hey! There was a farmer, everywhere what colors do you see?
All little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
All monkeys jumping on the bed.
I'm a